Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mercedes-Me Connect for EV charging reminders, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Mercedes-Benz vehicle's VIN handy. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mercedes-Me Connect website. Click on the register button, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Once you've filled out all the fields, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions if you consent. After that, hit the Continue button to proceed. You will then receive a confirmation email from Mercedes-Me Connect. Open that email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Upon verification, return to the Mercedes-Me Connect website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Vehicles section. Enter your vehicle's VIN in the provided field to link it to your account. After successful linking, you may need to verify some vehicle details. Go to the Settings section within your account dashboard. Here, you can set up EV charging reminders. Find the option for charging notifications or similar. Toggle on the notifications to enable them. You can customize the frequency and conditions for receiving reminders. Finally, save your settings to ensure they are applied. You are now all set to receive EV charging reminders from Mercedes-Me Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.